Then probably give BeenieMan the crown if you put on Cartel and then just stuck with this so. And nah let it go. I saw BeenieMan still, BeenieMan selfish, you know. They'll probably give BeenieMan the crown and say, yo.
You always about BeenieMan.
I said, crown Cartel, and he said, so. Zaga.
We're going to play a little game.
Yeah.
And we're going to say if Vybz Kartel really deserve
okay.
to be crowned the king of dancehall.
Yeah, everyone give me some space. Okay. Don't fall out, we fall into place. Every step walking with grace, amen. Keeping my foot off the brakes. Right. Impact, I'm ready to brace. Okay. We fall down and land on our face. Yeah. Just to get up and finally escape. Wait, boom, boom, boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave. Right. They live through the story they made, okay? Boom, 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 boom. Baby, I'm trying to get paid. Yeah. Legends don't die in a grave.
Yeah, David.
Yeah,
no, dog.
yeah, man.
How you feel? You know what's that?
Great, we feel good.
Yeah?
We feel good.
You feel good?
Yo, big up all viewers, all subscribers, big up everybody where support Rap and Chat. You see me I say? And people, don't hesitate. Hit that subscribe button and share the video. You see me? What you say?
Yeah, man.
Right, that's what you think.
No doubt.
Yeah, that.
You see me?
So, go on.
You know, we have to talk about Reggae Sumfest. Because you don't know, culturally, that is a big thing.
Big thing.
We don't have to want to say it, but how you feel if you know I say yo dog? You know?
Me know what? Me know what? Talk
you know
up, man.
Vybz Kartel, I go crowned the king of dancehall.
Oh.
How you feel?
Oh. Boy, me I tell you, listen.
Feel good.
Long time the general forget him, man. When the general come from prison, them should have greeted the general out the door with the crown. Right, that's what I think.
Yeah, you know, so you come like so yo.
Eh?
Now I'm meet which one out the door.
Right now, listen. They need to take off Bob Marley and put him one side. If you sit down little, the Cartel get one of a Grammy.
No.
And then they put back Bob Marley.
No man, but listen, you know that. Remember I say two different genres. Bob Marley is in
reggae.
Exactly, but in Bob Marley himself, dog, they in a league by himself. That's reggae compared to dancehall.
Let me explain something to you with Grammy now. You see Grammy, you see how them do it when you upload music. When you upload music, them don't have dancehall as a genre. Them have reggae. So dancehall music go under reggae. They don't have dancehall as a genre of music. Let me ask you now, how do you feel? If you know say not even me doubt if you Vendetta boss step on Soundfest, you know, brother.
That you want to say to me, dog.
Like how you feel if you know say?
Yeah.
You know? If man where you idolize and say yo at this man are the man himself, as told them say.
Yeah.
The man not even up on Soundfest, bro.
Let me tell you this. Me no idolize no artist. Zane, I'm gonna make it plain and straight again. I am a fan of music, but me have a more preference to alkaline. Zane, but me not really idolize it.
Okay.
At the same time, I'm gonna make this clear though. Vybz Kartel, me not hate Vybz Kartel.
No, me know that.
You know me.
Tell them.
People, the Gaza nation, the Gaza sheep them. Me not hate Vybz Kartel, bro. You see me? You have a fan, which me is a fan of another person. If you're a fan of Gaza or Vybz Kartel, hold on. If me a fan of Gaza, if you are a fan of Vybz Kartel, I'm a fan of Alkaline.
Yeah.
It no means I'm supposed to hate.
No man, we know you're not hate.
Alright. So when
me know that.
Okay.
Them don't know that.
Alright. So when Vybz Kartel deserve the highlight,
the credit
I'm going to give.
And the crown.
The Vybz Kartel.
And the crown. Say that to the man.
And the crown.
Hey people.
talking about
guys, listen. Yo, it take the vendetta sheep so long to admit. Say, you know, Adija the teacher.
Vybz Kartel contribute a lot to dancehall. So is the rest of the artists there.
No man, we know that.
In the whole circle. But me can admit the fact, say yo, Vybz Kartel do put dancehall on a different level.
Pedestal. You put that Cartel put Vybz Kartel on the peak.
I'm not going to hold my mouth and talk,
Yes,
but I'm still not a fan of Vybz Kartel.
And I can understand that.
Exactly.
Some people
and
like
that's
coffee.
for various reasons.
Some people like tea. Some people like whiskey. Some people like brandy.
I see where you come from and I see where you're going.
Alright, that's the thing, man.
But our thing today is about Sumfest.
Yes,
right?
Sumfest people.
Right. So Sumfest, Vybz Kartel is to be crowned
King of
the king of
dancehall.
dancehall. Then,
Yeah,
now, we're going to play a little game.
Yeah.
And we're going to say if Vybz Kartel really deserve
okay.
to be crowned the king of dancehall.
Alright.
Then,
People
and,
give new to me twin, so.
and honestly, after this, I'm going to appreciate the fact that, hey, this man work for it, isn't he? And him deserve to be who him say.
Yes.
You know?
Not who the
All right,
people
who
say.
the people say
Yeah.
Vybz Kartel is.
Yeah.
It now go change the fact that I am not
A fan.
a sheep.
Yeah.
A
fan.
So, so now, in crowning the king, there are some criteria.
Yeah.
And them have 5 categories or 5 big headings.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? That influence this crowning.
Yeah.
So I could say Vybz Kartel fit on that. 1. And more you fit.
You want me to be judge?
More you fit a lot the point. You see me?
Okay.
Towards these headings.
Alright.
1, influence and popularity. Between the number of 1 to 20.
Influence and popularity. 21 man.
Brother, 20 stop.
20 stop. Alright, 20.
How much you get out of that?
20.
Performance and stage presence.
Performance and stage presence. Would I give me 18? Yeah, Cartel I don't know, big performer. In can dance. Cartel have certain things like where BeenieMan would have. BeenieMan have
performance
and BeenieMan have certain things, you see me?
Right.
So would I give him a 18? See how
what about innovation?
20 man.
You're very innovative, you know. We
Yeah.
can agree on that.
We can agree. 20 bro.
You have people who say, but now I'll be biased. The man very innovative. You know, lyrics.
Yeah, man.
Some words when we use, you know me I said, the different concept them when come up with.
Bro, man.
The selling out of clocks, the selling out of cake soap, condoms, rum. You know?
Rum.
Yes, so 20. Me don't really see no other artists come out and do.
What Cartel
that
do?
entrepreneur side, that business side. And you know, and that is off the stage as well.
I'll shoes him and did that come with it, bro.
Yes, I mean.
Yeah.
So originality.
25. Can I get a 25 there, sir?
No, you can't get a 25.
20.
Alright. And the last one is cultural impact.
Oh God, man. 30. We have to give 30 there some people.
Where is it? 30 that's up?
Yeah, bro.
The impact we really have on the culture is huge, dog. When I lie,
humongous, bro.
you see me, because as we talk about the different products and so on,
Yeah, man.
people start bleach because Vybz Kartel sing about bleaching.
Mm-hmm.
People start put on a whole bunch of tattoos because he sing about tattoo.
Me I drop out for.
No, see, you're a living example.
But Cartel make me do it.
So, I mean, cultural impact, but you know, this is where I have the issue. The cultural impact, because a man of such great influence,
Yeah.
you see me, should I do a little bit more positive impact on the culture. You know how the young youths them stay.
Yeah.
They idolize certain things. So that are my main issue when we did have with Cartel. I'm still kind of right off of that because
I mean, understand
with
that.
a man with such great influence that me know you're not responsible for grow nobody pick me. You understand? Because of that, you didn't come with it.
No, but I know that alone, me did I go say. Me can say something?
Yeah, go say what you say. Me know you're not responsible for doing all of that.
Yeah.
Saying for grow nobody pick me, for tell people how to raise them kids and blah, blah, blah. But you see say you have that impact where you can influence a young youth life. We just look on it just, flat. We not go too deep. When the whole Gully and Gaza thing are gone.
Yeah.
Mavado have the influence too. Other big artists do have influence. Which as I say, there was a lot of feud spillover in schools, in workplace, everywhere. You have this Gully and Gaza thing. People end up behind bars. People dead. So that influence, but just wish it was more of a positive influence.
Can I say now?
Yeah, man.
Watch this. You and I have to understand, Cecile, and everybody else. You see, when Cartel was Vybz Kartel, teacher's pet, you have to remember, Cartel did young. You being a young man, and you realize you have all this power. Remember saying that when Cartel had the teacher's pet, Cartel tippy iceberg getting bro. But you see, when you're young, bro, and you start experience power, the power where you experience, bro, make you feel invincible.
Okay.
And sometimes, I just things like that happen, bro. You feel like, say, you're bigger than life. And sometimes life humble you.
So yeah,
you understand?
Him basically get humble.
And me just feel like, say, bro, him did have to go through that transition then, did have to go through and go through, fi be the Cartel that he is now.
Alright, it sounds like you're convinced me. I don't want to convince.
You see me?
Because me still I go see you in that like, but good chat when it comes to that. Zane, as me say, we don't want to dwell too much in a Cartel. Let's talk about Sumfest when him say him only wants
Spice fi crown him as king of Sumfest. I mean, agree. You see me?
Me feel like if you are going to have somebody crown you, I think it should be the farmer king.
The farmer king, but
which is BeenieMan.
And the farmer king now go and do that. The farmer king selfish.
What if Joe did approach him and say, yo,
watch this now?
As a farmer king of dancehall, you know me, I say, apart from Cartel requesting the queen, which is Spice. This is just my personality. I feel like it should be handed down from BeenieMan because BeenieMan had that crown for decades.
You
understand what I say? So if you have a woman step in for crown a king, me think...
But a queen of dancehall,
me understand that, but that's different. If Spice lose a crown as the queen, Spice should hand it down to, say for instance, Shensi.
And that is true.
You understand what I say? Because it goes like that.
Then probably give BeenieMan the crown if you put on Cartel and him just stuck with this so. And now let it go. I saw BeenieMan stay there. BeenieMan selfish, you know. They'll probably give BeenieMan the crown and say, yo.
You always about BeenieMan.
And say, crown Cartel, and he said so. Zaga.
Yeah, I can't put it on.
Zaga. So, yo, listen. Sumfest bring a lot to Jamaica.
So, how do you feel about that? Where, Sumfest now, everybody is in that mood and happy about it. So, your personal take about Sumfest and the culture itself.
Bro, Sumfest, you see, for me, Sumfest necessary.
Yeah.
Sting necessary. These things, bro, bring tourists to Jamaica. You remember when all of them Chinese people, they come to Jamaica to come learn how to dance and you then always see them a passa and weddy and them thing there. Bro, you see culture where we have, dog. The culture where we have bigger than we. Bigger than the country. And me feel like the government to invest in these things. Sumfest, Passa, Sting. I don't know if they have Stings here.
Yeah, man. But it just never keep
because a Cartel show.
Because a Cartel show, man.
You see that? Because a Cartel show.
Well, anyway. So, we can agree, say, Sumfest do have a great impact on the culture.
Yeah, man. Contribute, man.
And they contribute because, when you look on it, even the job opportunities with Sumfest provide.
And they bring in tourism.
And the tourists, right. So we're going to look
tourists.
So the different areas where it affect, and we're talking about positively, the hotel industry.
Bro.
You see me? Hotel sell out. You can't get space because of that. It impact the restaurants them.
Yeah.
You see me? And we're talking about positively.
And it impact
the local peanut, man.
You look at people when they on the roadside that sell.
Yes.
You see me?
Yes.
Yeah, bro.
Because remember, you know, Sumfest itself, you know, dog, is not just local, you know.
Exactly.
It is international. People fly from 4 corners of the world
Dog.
to come at Sumfest.
Come at Sumfest, sample jerk chicken.
Right. The
see me?
authenticness of Jamaica.
You see
Because
me?
that's what Sumfest do. So, I'm going to touch about the point where you did mention that the government need to invest.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, so things like these, it really kind of hit home when you can see such a great impact what this festival have.
Yeah, man.
But at the same time, we don't have a center for our culture.
To facilitate
For
it.
facilitate. We don't have a dance arena or something like an arena
Yeah,
where we
bro.
promote these things.
And watch this now. You see, if the government of Jamaica dog invest in one arena to keep shows like these in Jamaica,
That's what
you
I'm
know
saying.
how much money the economy need that, bro.
It need it. And when you look upon it, we can talk about Sumfest and talk about the man behind it,
Joe.
Joe.
Yeah,
Then now, before Joe acquired Sumfest, it started from about back in the 1993.
Back in the 90s.
Yes. Yeah, man. 1993 it started with 3 businessmen that started.
Yeah.
Or something like that. And then in 2016,
Joe. Yeah.
buy it. But I could talk about Joe a little bit because Joe is an American.
Yeah, man.
Joe left from America. See the great potential, bro, what this thing have, the impact. Listen this, him leave from America. We know Joe is a successful businessman.
Yeah, man.
And Joe, we have to give him the credit because Joe play a significant role in the culture, dancehall, right across the board.
Right across the board. That's not a
You know
lie.
what I say? If Jamaica are the people who are the government,
The minister of
the minister of culture or whatever,
Yeah.
make outsiders see these opportunities and seize them, dog.
The Prime Minister need to focus more on them
Exactly my point.
You see me? You know what
Exactly
they, you know what
my
they
point.
need? You know what they need in a Jamaica? And this one they need in a Jamaica. Prime Minister Andrew Holness. This is what Jamaica need. Jamaica needs some centers where specialize in just music.
Exactly.
How to mix music, how to record
Exactly,
music,
bro.
how to do
Yeah.
sound check and that, bro. You see?
You should have the most music school in our world.
Watch this now. Jamaica have so much talent, dog.
Bro, man, I tell you, man.
And it crazy how sometimes you look on it and you say, yo, them a fight against the music. Bro, if you did have people who are teaching music certain way and encourage you, them wouldn't have sing about certain things.
You
probably.
wouldn't sing about certain things.
You see me?
That's true.
And if they did have an easier way out, then probably would have, you see me?
We have one school,
Edna Manley.
Edna Manley School of Art, but we need more where really focuses narrow in on music. And let me tell you what's going to happen. And the reason why I did say we can't left out Joe Banovich out of it. Then Joe see that opportunity and sees it. And up to today day, we don't have an arena or a center where cater for dancehall or
True,
you know
man.
the whole music culture.
Yeah, man.
You know what gonna happen? Them a wait for somebody else outside to see the opportunity again.
And then
come
capitalize
in
and
capitalize
off it.
where we are wait pan for capitalize. But we don't need to see it anymore. Say the music of Jamaica, dog. Dancehall, reggae, and this new trap music now.
Trap
dancehall. It is driving money
In other people's pocket.
In other people's pocket.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
True.
These things we need to capitalize and bring all those in a Jamaica.
So you know what I say? There's a possibility, say, Soundfest won't be a thing after probably next 2 years. You know that? Joe say, yo, the local artists, them a charge crazy money to perform. You know what I mean? And it's expensive to put on the show itself.
Yes, it is.
So I must say, yo, if the artists them continue to charge them crazy money, and soon can't
Afford
facilitate the show no more. So, yo, more than love for artists them use this as a showcase for themselves. I know say, yo, this is for Jamaica. And when you're out of Jamaica, you charge,
Big
millions
money,
and
yes.
you get me? I say
Because that was the intention of the show still, to showcase the Jamaican talent.
exactly. So me hope the artists them look upon it and no use on the head. Stop using your eyes. You see me?
So yo, people, you don't know, say yo, Vybz Kartel for be crowned the king. This is where me I say, yo, I'm just not a fan, but me respect the fact, say, yo, the culture see you, the people see you, and them say you deserve it, and you see me? You do your thing.
Yeah, man. You don't know, this man is just a vendetta sheep, and that's how you go. You don't know the thing set already. You know what I mean? Yo, you know when I think when me want to say something about, you see the thing it is all over social media where the guy, I think England here.
Did you watch my video? Yeah, sorry. Did you like it? Yeah. Thank you. We make your boom boom happy. We make your boom boom smile. We make your boom boom sing and smile. La.
Bro, you have to understand, Cartel is a superstar, bro, and people have to understand that. But you can't expect a man to, bro, if he did this, the man in a public, you see, him only would show himself to the wolves and the dogs.
But yeah,
You see me?
Alright, so in a situation like that, dog, we think it's fishy. It's fishy.
If he saying like a video,
What you mean? What you talk about, yo? The man ask him 2 questions and him say yes. And he say yes, he liked the video.
but look,
But what I know, you know why it look fishy? Because Cartel did already like one post with
Bro.
a little fish boy with spice.
Come back with
Oh, you mean, dog? So
Listen.
you have to look on them things, dog. So
The man is a big
you
star,
create
bro.
a little track record where people them now go with, brother. Not do them thing, there, bro.
Listen now.
Ignore the man and walk on about your business. Look how much people you ignore.
Dog,
What you mean?
I think he man ignore people, bro.
Brother, what you mean by man that ignore? You're a superstar. You can't see everybody. You can't see everybody.
You can't
Some
see
people
everybody.
you have to ignore
Well,
and go
remember
about
me
your
tell you this.
business.
Let
Brother,
me ask you one
just turn around
question.
the
Let me
head.
ask you one question. We live in America, me and you. Which part you work? No fish not there.
Yeah, man. What you mean, dog? Who was
All
the
right.
fish?
All right. Wait 1 second. None of them are your superior. I'm just saying.
No. Not where me work. No.
But-
But me work with
fish.
swim around. Yeah.
You don't have to deal with them with respect.
Me deal with them work-wise when me have to.
So
if not, if me
I
not
work,
nothing to
Cartel,
say
I work.
work-wise.
I work in my
No,
work.
man, the man done what, man?
I work
Or
in
is
my
he
work.
then done
I go-
work,
I go
or
in
him
my
a
work.
go work?
Exactly.
No, so if I go work, or him done work, it don't really
how
matter.
that-
Do
how
not
that-
respond.
You know how
bro.
that would then look to a community.
Nah.
Watch you know? Bro, may I tell you, a man does a protecting thing, and I understand that. A man a protecting
Bro,
thing.
why you feel like if you understand that, you feel
No.
so how you burn out the other?
I the teacher.
Yo, that boy a hypocrite in the people.
No.
Listen me I say.
You have to have
This
damage
man,
control.
This man burn out Spice. I say Spice, you know what I say? He burn out everybody.
Me dey burn you out.
What you mean?
Me say.
But now you
me
have
say
to come
spice.
back. No.
Me
What
say
am I
spice.
saying?
If you have your friend, them keep them. You know have to.
So
come-
why you not tell Cartel say if you find them show up like that, keep them out of the
Bro,
spotlight?
you don't say a drama. You see you.
Dog, my youth.
My young people.
A man name if he admit nothing. A man name if he see him. He ignore 1 million other people. You could have
Me not
ignored that
think
the
he
man.
ignore people, bro.
What you mean by
As
that?
me say, Cartel is a new man now, bro. A man different, bro. A man does a show like respect. I don't say thing go.
So how you did have a problem when a man
Soundfest.
like you look a fish,
Listen.
a fish post?
Soundfest.
Yeah, grandpa. I can't
People.
understand still. You can't. You know like admit
Understand?
the downfall.
No, man. No, beat the teacher. No, have to beat the teacher, man. You see me?
Bro, yo, admit that. Tell the man say him wrong.
Cartel. Big up yourself.
The man can't find it
Yo,
in the heart.
the success, bro. You
Yeah.
see me?
Big up on yourself, dog. Big up yourself to success,
Yeah,
bro.
man.
You see me? People, join me again for after Sumfest when Vybz Kartel get crowned for the king. You see me?
We're going to have a recap, you see me? We're going to just continue. You know what I mean? But big up yourself, bro.
Yeah, dog.
Big up Spice, big up Cartel, big up the whole Soundfest team. You see me? Right, that's the thing there.
Mad.
You see me?